Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to construct a complex part modeling in Autodesk Inventor. In this, you can see this is a twisted profile. So now we will construct this profile. So let's get started. Take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now go to 2D sketch and take the XY plane. This will be the front plane. Here go to rectangle command and from this center point make a rectangle. Go to dimensions. The vertical dimension will be of 20 mm and horizontal dimension of 100 mm. Enter. OK. Now finish sketch. Now we are going to construct a new plane. So go to plane, go to offset from plane and from origin select the XY plane. Here make a new plane at distance 120 mm and OK. OK. Now select this plane 1, create sketch, and this time we will construct same profile at 90 degree. Go to rectangle command once again, select 2 points, center rectangle. From this center point, construct this rectangular profile. Go to dimensions, select this as 20 mm and this same as 100 mm. OK. Now finish sketch. Now we have two profiles at 90 degree with each other. Select this plane, right click and turn off its visibility. OK. Now from here go to loft command, select this profile and select this profile. So it will construct a joining profile between these two. From here go to conditions and switch it to direction condition to 90 degree and this also direction condition to 90 degree. Okay, so it will provide you a curve profile here. You can see now from top like this. Okay, so this will be the center curve profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and select this face. Finish sketch. Now go to extrude and here take extrude of 50 mm. Here the join will be selected and OK. Similarly, select this face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry and select this. Finish sketch, go to extrude. Here also take extrude length of 50 mm and OK. OK. Now to make it round, go to fillet command. The total width of this is 100 mm. So we will take a radius of 50 mm, half of its length. Select this edge and select this edge. So it will make all round profile. Similarly, select this edge and select this edge and apply. OK. Finish. Now select this face, go to create sketch and go to circle command. From this center point, make a circle of dia 50 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude. Take here cut and take symmetric cut and increase the distance by dragging this arrow and OK. Similarly, select this face, go to create sketch, go to circle and select this center point. Make a circle of dia 50 mm. Go to 3D model, extrude. Here also take symmetric extrude and take here cut and OK. OK. Now select the fillet command and take a radius of here of 5 mm. Select the edges, select this complete profile and apply. OK. Finish. Now go to chamfer command. Take here a chamfer distance of 3 mm. Select this edge, this, rotate the part, this bottom Okay, rotate it like here and select this and apply. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now go to defaults and change the color to chrome polished black. Okay, so this will be the profile. So this was just a short tutorial to how to construct a twisted profile or a complex Autodesk Inventor modeling. So I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.